Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is HOIROTUN NISA. I'm from UIN Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. I am going to express my opinion about buying and selling in Islam. Etymologically, the notion of buying and selling means upsold exchange or means exchanging something for something. In Arabic, the word al-bay means buying and selling, which literally means exchange or mubilah. This word is used to refer to sellers and purchasers. The definition buying and selling is trading activity that has the goal and intent to make a profit. Commercial activities have long been an integral part of human life. Quoted from the Muhammad faith from the Hanafi school, defines selling as an exchange of property for other asset using a counter method. Meanwhile, according to the Shafi'i school of thought, the notion of buying and selling is the exchange of property for other property, but of which can be managed and accompanied by a couple statement according to the method permitted by the Sharia. In the Al-Qur'an, buying and selling and usury are mentioned in one verse, with the mention of Allah justifying buying and selling and forbidding usury. This is a sign that the difference between buying and selling and usury is very thin. If Muslim does not know the comparative buying and selling in Islam, he will easily get caught up in usury. From this reason, Islamic thinkers try hard to catch the message of religious texts, especially those related to comfort buying and selling in Islam. And it has been agreed by the scholars, buying and selling is carried out by people which not for it legally. This is of course difference. Buying and selling is done by unconverted people. When the major scholars differed opinion, Prince Malik and Imam Shafi'i, for example, stated it was illegal to buy and selling by people who are not converted is based to the Qur'an. This opinion not it line when Imam Hanafi and Imam Ahmad were stated valid. If the kid smart, he added child who was still small but already smart if doing things with the permission of parents or guardians. Steadily met the argument boiled by Imam Hanafi and Imam Ahmad is the most comprehensive one. Parental or guardian consent, not the child. It means everything that is done by the child under the responsibility of the parent or guardian. So, it can be included the meaning of buying and selling in Islam is the exchange of an item to or another item. or of training when the receipt of an item that is valued for a conversion or iwad. That's my recommendation about buying and selling in Islam. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.